Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reimburse employee expenses in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get straight into the video. Step 1 is to gather employee expense details. You got to ensure that you have the receipts and details of the expenses to be reimbursed, the dates, amount, and of course the purpose. Step 2 is to record the expense. Go to plus new, then expenses. Select the employee from the payee field. You may need to set them up as a vendor first. Step 3 is to choose payment method and account. You're going to select the account that you will use for the reimbursement, could be checking account, and then add the payment method, could be bank transfers, cash, or check. Step 4 is to categorize the expense. Assign the expense to the correct category, for instance travel, office supplies, or whatever else it is, and then enter the receipt's detail in the description for clarity. Step 5 is to save and process payments. Click save and close, or you can click save and new if you're entering more, and then actually issue the payments to the employee. A pro tip is to use QuickBooks expense tracking to store receipts so reimbursements can be verified during audits. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.